I'm Tyler Greenlund.
My name is Manuel Valdez.
My name is Greg Estrada, and this is
Concept Precision Machining. Concept Precision is a machine shop, job shop / aerospace. We have background in aerospace, but it's also a job shop too, so you can bring anything to us. We machine anything from plastic to stainless to titanium. Anything you got, you bring it, you can do it. Over here, we pride ourselves on our work. We like to make everything look good. Everything's got to be on point with tolerances and everything. Everything goes through inspection. So I've been here almost since the beginning. He opened in 04, 05, and I've been here since about 07. So Concept Precision is I guess in a sense, my grandpa.
Well, started by getting laid off from my last job.
He became supervisor of the machine shop, and he was there for I think 20 plus years.
Able Corporation. I was there 29 years, and I figured I would be retiring from there. The owner passed away, and the company was sold to an aerospace company. But they offered me machines.
He bought up whatever machinery they were willing to give him. So he bought that, stuck it in a storage unit.
And I went to work for a small shop as a tool and cutter grinder.
That didn't quite go how he wanted it to, so he decided to open his own shop.
We started out really with one project, which was the transducer products.
And then he started getting more work and more work and more work. And then finally he just got overwhelmed with it, so he had to make that his full-time job.
We started Concept Precision Machining.
He contacted Greg because they had worked together for 20 plus years, and Greg actually was in between jobs.
Manuel I've known, I would say about 1988. He called me, I think it was about 2007. He called me and he says, I'm starting up a company, do you want to come and help? And I was like, yeah, sure.
About 17 or so, I needed a job, needed something to do. My grandpa had a machine shop that was open and said, hey, you want to come in, sweep shop, clean up? Okay, that sounds good to me. So then little by little, he started putting me on a machine here and there. Hey, drill a couple holes here, or face this diameter, or do a little something. So then before I knew it, he was giving me more and more, and by the time I knew it, I was doing full parts on my own. So then I started realizing what I'm doing, and I realized this is what I want to do. So then after that, I went to the local community college, saw what they had to offer, and took it from there. Because a lot of schools now don't offer that in school. They don't have a machine shop or auto shop, or so a lot of these kids now they offer it in colleges, but a lot of kids don't realize it's there. Like at the Academy, I never knew that you only had to be 14 to be able to go there. Like to me, if I would have known that when I was younger, I would have went there.
I guess I got my first, introduction in high school, which I don't think they have that anymore. And then so I got my AA in machining from Fullerton College. At the same time, though, I had joined the Naval Reserves.
When he was 17, he joined the Navy. They stuck him in the machine shop, machining.
I tried to pick something that would be closer to machining, but in the naval air part of it, there is very little. So I was aviation metalsmith in the Navy.
Right now, you can see that the machine shop is going different ways now. You're seeing how the technology with this is it's going far beyond that. With the younger generation that loves to play with computers and high-tech stuff, it's the perfect opportunity for them.
I'm still old school, strictly manual machines, conventional. But then pretty soon we started getting RFQs, requests for quotes from jobs that we really couldn't do manually.
And he wasn't quite sure if he wanted to get it or not, so he kind of talked it over with us. And we're like, yeah, sure, we can try it out, see how these newer machines are. And he's okay, well, you guys are going to be in control of it then. He's like, I want nothing to do with these. So after that, the machines kind of sat for a little bit. And then after that, we got on them and started learning how to use them and everything.
We got the lathe first. And then later on, it worked out pretty good. We got the mill.
We have the mill is a DPM5, and the lathe is a TRL 1630SX. At first, I was a little bit timid. I was kind of gun shy and getting on them. because I was the fear of crashing into an expensive machine like that. But now that's all I use. I don't even like using conventional machines anymore after using the TRAK machines. TRAKs to me kind of bridge the gap. So anybody can get on. It's really user-friendly programming. You don't need to know G code, sitting there punching controls on, because not everybody has the money to go and throw down for a full enclosed CNC. So, and then at the same time, everybody needs more capability than what a conventional machine can offer.
It's helped us quite a bit, because otherwise we wouldn't be able to do some of those jobs anymore. Whatever comes through the door, if we can do it, we will do it.
Like, we don't like saying no to everyone, so like, you bring it here, we'll make it work with you guys.
I'm still turning the handles and things. You know, I'm out there at the shop. I'm more of a, I've always been more of a shop person, hands-on.
I just couldn't imagine doing other work. I mean, I worked in a grocery store. That totally wasn't for me. To me, machining stuff is entertaining.
I still like to, you know, hands-on machining and making something.
Yeah, so I mean, if you have an interest in something, then go for it. Don't, oh no, maybe I should. Because you never know what you're gonna like until you try it.